Alright guys, I've got a video today for you courtesy of James Dunford. James Dunford basically came up to me when we went to JDM Comb and well, we had a chat. One of the subscribers, we had a chat and he told me about these LEDs. They're direct replacement for the like LEDs. I'm currently running these T10 LEDs, as you can see. These replace the entire module, if that's the right word. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to replace it with these ones. It's quite simple to do. It's a direct replacement, plug and play. Alright, let me show you how to do that. The first thing to do is to get this module out. So basically just push on one side and then it just pops right out, just like that. Next thing to do is to get this the plastic lens off, and you do that by pushing against these tabs right behind there. I'm not sure if I can get in there, but there are basically some tabs behind there. Push that in on one side and push in on the other, then the lens comes off. Next thing to do is to remove this, disconnect this from the harness, which is right here. Simple. You just push this tab here and then you pull this bit out. I'm not sure if I can do it with one hand. Let's see. Really, you shouldn't have the lights on while doing this. Don't do as I do, just do as I say. Call me a hypocrite. Alright, and that comes out just like that. Then you take a replacement. So, I'm not sure I can do this with one hand. I should mention at this point that the reason I haven't done this video, or I didn't do this video earlier, is because the first unit that I received, as you can see, there are two boxes here. The first unit I received, this LED, the culprit, it died out literally like less than a day after I installed it. So I'm gonna have to see how these ones get on. Right now it's not looking good, but I thought it was worth mentioning. I did contact the seller on eBay, and then they sent a replacement pair right out. And I had a replacement in less than 48 hours. So at least the customer service is good, but I can't say much for the quality just yet. Maybe that was just my unit. Alright, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, can't do this with one hand. I just do it both hands and then right, that was easy enough. Plug that in, light comes on. Push the wires in. I find it's easier to put this side in first. Like so, and then you just slide it. Like you put that side in, you slide it in, push the other side down, like so, and then that's it. Let's get that in and secure. And that's that one in. So this is the replacement LEDs, and this is the T10 normal LEDs. As you can see, quite a lot brighter. What I'm going to do is wait for it to get dark, and then I'm going to show you the difference when it's dark at night. Alright, so it could be darker. I could wear a bit longer, but to be fair, it is way past my bedtime. It's like 10:15. And it looks like what it usually looks like around 5. Well, yeah, crazy. Anyway, so yeah, here it is. As you can see, much brighter on the right. Much brighter, and a lot white as well. A lot. Excuse me, it's a lot clearer. So yeah, eyewitnesses would definitely be seeing more plates. So yeah, don't commit any crime with this. Plus the number plate to be very visible at night. I'm not sure if I'm about that look, because personally I like my number plate not being that visible. I like the more darker look. That's just too bright for me personally. So I think I'm gonna be going back to the normal T10 LEDs. Yeah, that's just way too bright for me. I might prefer that. So yeah, anyway, for those of you who are fans of that, that's it. That's how it looks, and that's how the two compare. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Actually, you know what? I think I'm just gonna give him away. Yeah, I'm gonna give him away.